Hello, my name is Nick. Continuing my visit day, I arrived at a small event in the cardiology department. Before starting, I checked the list of participants. I see that my doctor colleagues asked me to add a new intern who recently started working at this clinic. I add him to the organization's staff list. I enter the new employee's data, first name and last name. I specify his specialization. The institution is automatically selected. Without needing to fill out the remaining information, I send the request to add him. The system validates and creates a new participant. I return to the visit. I begin conducting the event. I open the list of participants. I change the status for those who were actually present. I remove from the list those who couldn't attend. Unfortunately, Dr. Maria couldn't attend. I remove her from the list. In her place, I add the newly created John Smith. I record him as a participant. I save the updated list. I continue with the visit. I note the topic we discussed today. I record the presentation I showed to the participants. I specify the brands we talked about during the event. I add a photo from the event. I define the type of event in the system. If necessary, I enter budget information and other expenses. After that, I finalize the event and report on its completion.